Just as gamers seek the perfect mechanical keyboard for accuracy, speed, and durability, home cooks and professional chefs need thermometers that deliver precise, instant readings. Food temperature thermometers ensure your meals are. List 1. The ThermoPro TP16 is a reliable, user-friendly digital thermometer, ideal for home kitchens and professional use. Featuring a large, easy-to-read LCD display, it allows you to monitor internal temperatures of meats, poultry, and baked goods with precision. Its stainless steel probe provides fast, accurate readings within seconds, while the foldable design ensures convenient storage. The thermometer's auto shut-off function extends battery life, and its durable construction withstands everyday use. Suitable for both grilling and oven cooking, the TP16 offers an excellent balance of accuracy, readability, and reliability. Its simple one-button operation makes it perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike, ensuring your food reaches the list. No. The Etekcity infrared thermometer offers a non-contact solution for measuring food surface temperatures instantly. Using infrared technology, it accurately detects temperatures from a safe distance, making it ideal for hot liquids, frying oils, and grill surfaces. Its ergonomic design and laser pointer help target specific areas, while the digital display provides quick readings in Fahrenheit or Celsius. This thermometer is perfect for situations where traditional probes are impractical, such as checking candy, deep frying oil, or pizza stones. Compact, lightweight, and battery efficient, the Etekcity infrared thermometer is a versatile tool for home cooks and professional chefs seeking quick, safe, and accurate surface temperature readings. List 3. The ThermoPro TP19H is a professional-grade instant read thermometer with a unique auto-rotating display suitable for both right and left-handed users. Its stainless steel probe delivers fast and accurate readings within 2 to 3 seconds, ensuring your meats, poultry, and baked dishes are perfectly cooked. The thermometer's large backlit screen allows easy visibility in any lighting, while the waterproof design simplifies cleaning. A motion-sensing sleek wake feature helps preserve battery life, and its foldable probe makes storage convenient. Ideal for grilling, roasting, and frying, the TP19H combines precision, speed, and ergonomic design for reliable cooking results. It's an excellent choice for home chefs and professionals who value accuracy. List 4. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer provides rapid and accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Designed with a large backlit display and foldable stainless steel probe, it is both user-friendly and convenient for storage. Its waterproof construction allows for easy cleaning, while the built-in temperature guide makes cooking meats, poultry, and baked goods simple even for beginners. Durable and lightweight, it is ideal for home kitchens, grilling, and outdoor cooking. With reliable precision and fast response, the Alpha Griller's thermometer ensures your dishes are perfectly cooked every time. This model is an excellent combination of performance, affordability, and ease of use for all cooking enthusiasts. List 5. This digital meat thermometer is designed for quick, accurate, and safe temperature monitoring in the kitchen. The stainless steel probe provides readings within seconds, and the waterproof construction makes cleaning hassle-free. Its large digital display ensures clarity, while the foldable design allows easy storage. Suitable for grilling, roasting, frying, and baking, this thermometer offers versatility and precision. Auto shutoff and battery-efficient operation make it practical for daily use. Lightweight yet durable, it is ideal for home cooks, barbecue enthusiasts, and professionals. Whether checking steak, chicken, or dessert temperatures, this thermometer delivers consistent, reliable results for safe and perfectly cooked food.